In the bustling city of Metron, crime was a daily occurrence. Gangs roamed the streets, and corruption lurked in every corner. But the criminals of Metron feared one name above all: Echo. By day, Maya Ellis was a sound engineer working in a recording studio, blending music and creating effects for movies. But by night, she became Echo, a superheroine with the power to manipulate sound. Maya had discovered her abilities by accident one day while working late. She found that she could amplify, mute, and even create sound waves powerful enough to shatter concrete or whisper across miles. One night, while working late, she overheard a group of gang members planning an attack on a local bank. With no time to waste, Maya donned her Echo gear, a sleek black suit designed to help her channel her powers, and headed to the bank. As the gang broke into the vault, Echo arrived silently. She stood in the shadows, then unleashed a powerful sound wave that knocked the criminals off their feet. The gang leader pulled out a gun, but before he could fire, Echo muted the sound around him, leaving him disoriented and panicked in the sudden silence. Echo used precise sound waves to disarm the men and immobilize them without causing permanent harm. By the time the police arrived, they found the gang members tied up and the vault intact, with only a faint echo of sound lingering in the air. The next day, the news was abuzz with reports of the mysterious Echo who had thwarted the heist. Maya returned to her normal life, knowing that her powers gave her the ability to protect Metron from the shadows, one sound wave at a time.